Hi everyone, this is Vipul Shukla, your English executive from Intern Learning. Here I am back with a new video about adverb. In this video, we are going to discover all about the adverb. To get most out of this video, watch it till the end. Adverb is a word that provides some information about the time, place, manner, frequency or degree of an action, denoted by the verb, adjective or another adverb. In a simpler way, we can say that it adds or changes the meaning of verb, adjective or adverb in any sentence. Let's see it with the help of example. Simple adverb contain only one word and they are the most used adverb. It further divided into many parts. Let's see each of them. Whenever you want to add an information of when to a verb, the adverb of time will be your answer. In a simpler way, we can say that adverb of time shows the time or moment of happening that task. Whenever you want to add an information of where to a verb, the adverb of place will be your answer. So we can say that the adverb of place shows the place where the task is being done or has to be done. Whenever you want to add an information of how often to a verb, the adverb of frequency will be your answer. Adverb of frequency shows the frequency with which the task has to be done. Whenever you want to add an information regarding how or in what way, the adverb of manner will be used. Adverb of manner shows the form with which the task has to be done. Whenever you want to answer something starting with how much or to what degree or extent, the adverb of degree will be your answer. Adverb of degree shows the degree or extent with which the task has been done. Whenever you want to answer something starting with why, the adverb of reason will be your answer. The adverb of reason shows the reason behind doing a particular task. Whenever an adverb is used to relate or connect any two sentences, we used relative adverbs when, why and where are just the three relative adverbs. Whenever you ask a question and the questioning word is used as an adverb, you are using interrogation adverb. They possess a unique feature and placed at the beginning of a sentence. So these are the different types of adverbs which can be used anywhere to make text more informative. With these information, I am going to signing out for today, but we'll be back soon with our next video about preposition. Till then, keep showering your love, keep supporting us.